Welcome. This video will take you through the steps for completing and submitting the Waste Tire Program's new tire fee return form online. If you want to submit the return by mail instead, go to the Waste Tire Fee webpage to get instructions on how to file by mail. If you have not yet registered as a waste tire generator, you must do this first to receive an account number. To register, go to the Waste Tires webpage to access and submit the WT-1 form, which is required for registering as a waste tire generator. You can return to this video once you have been assigned an account number. There is no fee to register. The waste tire fee applies to all new motor vehicle tires and new trailer tires that are sold in the state of Colorado. This includes all tires used on passenger cars, passenger trucks, motorcycles and motor scooters licensed to travel on roads, semi-trucks and trailers, any trailer towed behind a car, motorhomes, minivans, campers, buses, medium-duty trucks, fleet vehicles, new and used cars sold by a retailer if existing tires are changed out for new tires, and online sales of new tires. However, the fee does not apply to retread tires or tires used for agricultural equipment, off-road vehicles, garden equipment, mining and construction equipment, bicycles, or airplanes. A new tire fee return form must be submitted monthly. Even if no new tires were sold during the month, you must still fill out a form and indicate that 0 tires were sold in the month. The forms and fees are due by the 20th day of the month. If you are filing by mail, forms must be postmarked by the 20th of the month to avoid a late fee. If the 20th falls on a holiday or weekend, the forms and fees are due the following business day. To access the new tire return form, open a browser on your computer. The form works best with Internet Explorer or Google Chrome. You may receive error messages if you use the form in Mozilla Firefox. In the browser address bar, enter the URL shown on the screen. Please bookmark this page for future use. To open the form, click on the New Tire Fee Return Form link. To begin, enter your CDPHE account number. This is a 4-digit number assigned to you by CDPHE. Do not use your FEIN or any other number assigned by the Division of Revenue. If you are unsure of your CDPHE account number, contact us using the information on the screen. Enter the month for which the form applies. If you are paying for April 2015, for example, enter 04/15 using the 2-digit month and year. Next, enter the business name. If you are submitting a return for more than one location, enter the name of the parent company that is paying for all. For example, if you are paying for all Acme Auto Tires locations, you would enter Acme Auto Tires in the business name. Enter the mailing address for the business, along with the city, state, and zip code. This is the address that will be used for all mailed correspondence from CDPHE related to waste tire management. Enter the name of the person that is responsible for making payments and that person's telephone number. If issues should arise regarding the return, this will be the first person contacted. Next, enter the total number of stores included in this return. Check the amended return box if this form is amending a previously submitted return. For example, if you submitted a return in April for March payments and realize you made a mistake, this will allow you to refile that return. Check this box if you no longer sell new tires. Check the No Tires Sold box if tires were not sold for the dates reported. For line 1, enter the total number of new tires sold for the dates reported. If no tires were sold, enter 0. For line 2, Click on the Calculate button, and the amount owed is automatically calculated at a rate of $1.50 per the number of tires sold indicated in line 1. You will be asked to enter the amount on the payments page later. Now scroll to the bottom of the form to continue processing. Read through the certification section very carefully. By submitting the form, you are stating that you are aware that the filing must be accurate and complete, and there are significant penalties for willfully submitting false, inaccurate, or incomplete information. Next, enter the facility representative's name and title. This is the person completing the form. Enter the date the form will be submitted. Enter the date as month, day, and year. Finally, enter the email address for the facility representative. Review all the information entered before clicking on the Submit button. Submitting the form officially serves as your electronic signature. You will now be redirected to the Solid Waste Payport webpage to make the payment. On the Solid Waste Payport webpage, click on the Pay Now link to enter the electronic payment option. Enter your CDPHE account number, business name, and applicable dates. Make sure this information matches the information you entered on the previous form, especially the periods applicable. Next, enter the price. This is the amount from line 2, amount owed, on the new tire fee return form. Click on the Continue button to go to the next step. Verify the information in the transaction summary. Click on the Edit button to modify the information if necessary. Otherwise, click the Checkout button to pay by electronic check or credit card. Please note, the total cost shown includes a transaction fee that is applied to all credit card payments. The service fee for paying by electronic check is only $1. The total cost will be adjusted if paying by electronic check. To pay using a credit card, click on Manually Enter a Credit Card. Use the pull-down menu to select the type of credit card to be used. Type in the credit card number. Enter the credit card expiration date. To avoid credit card rejection errors, make sure the credit card number and the credit card expiration date you enter are accurate. Click on the Continue button to enter billing information. Next, enter the appropriate billing information for the credit card to be used to make the payment. When completed, click Continue. Once again, verify the information entered to avoid credit card rejection errors. Verify the information shown on the screen. Click on the Agree Continue button to complete the payment. To exit without submitting payment, click on the Disagree Exit button. Once payment is confirmed, a receipt will appear on the screen and will be sent to your email account. Carefully review the customer receipt on the screen. Although a receipt will be sent to your email address, this receipt can also be downloaded or printed by clicking on the Download and Print option on this page. To pay by electronic check, click on Electronic Check. Use the pull-down menu to select the type of bank account to be used. Enter the bank routing number. This is the 9-digit number found at the bottom left portion of the check. Enter the bank account number. Confirm the account information by re-entering the bank routing number and the account number. Click on Continue to complete the payment. To avoid rejection errors, make sure the checking account information is accurate. Verify the information shown on the screen. A $1 electronic check transaction fee is added to the total. Click on the Agree Continue button to complete the payment. To exit without submitting payment, click on the Disagree Exit button. Once payment is confirmed, a receipt will appear on the screen and will be sent to your email account. Carefully review the customer receipt on the screen. Although a receipt will be sent to your email address, this receipt can also be downloaded or printed by clicking on the Download and Print option on this page. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions about the form or this process, please contact us by email or by telephone. The Waste Tire program is a part of the Solid Waste and Materials Management program within the Hazardous Materials and Waste Management Division of the Colorado Department of Public Health and Environment.